Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you are doing well. Welcome to TJ's Maths and Further Maths Adventures. In today's presentation, we continue with our solution to WAEC 2024 Further Mathematics, the theory question from the compulsory part. This is question 2. In my previous video, I've solved question 1. Okay, this is the compulsory part. This is question 2, and this is further mathematics. Come with me as we solve this problem. The question reads, find the sum of all the natural numbers between 403 and 603, which are divisible by 7. First thing for us to do is to identify this question is from which topic. Of course, this is from sequence and series. And we have two types of sequence, the arithmetic progression and the geometric progression. Okay, so let's look at how we can handle this. We are trying to look at all the sum of all the natural numbers between 403 and 603 that are divisible by 7. So the question is 403 divisible by 7? Let's check. Let's use our calculator. We can use our calculator to verify that. Okay, so 403 divided by 7, there will be remainder. No. So let's write down the solution and see how we can handle this. Okay, so what's the next number? 403? No. Then let's move to 404. 404 404 divided by 7, there will be remainder. What about 5? 405. Of course, 405, there will be remainder. What about 406? 406 divided by 7, it will be 58. There is no remainder. So the first number from this 403 to 603 is 406. This will be our first number now. Okay, so must we be dividing numbers, testing it to 603? No. Let me put comma here, then put a 3 dot. Then what will be the last number? What about 603? Let's try 603 divided by 7. There will be remainder. What if I say 602? Because the number is between 403 and 600. It must not be more than 603. It must not be less than 403. Okay, what about 602 divided by 7? Yes, 86. So I mean the last number will be 602. Okay, so you now look at it that in this case, is this arithmetic progression or geometric progression? Let's check. The number is divisible by 7. The numbers must be divisible by 7. So if I add 7 to this, I'll get the next number. Let's see. 406 plus 7, that will be 400 and what? 13. 413 divided by 7, it will be 59. There is no remainder. It means this will form arithmetic sequence. It will form arithmetic sequence, of course. So this is arithmetic progression, not geometric progression. So since this is arithmetic progression now, we know that our first term A will be 406. Then our last term here, of course, will be 602. Then what will be the number of times? We don't know. Our number of times will be question mark since we don't know. The common difference is increasing by 7. The common difference, of course, will be 7. Because if you add 7 to this, we'll get 413. And 413 will be our second term. So to find the common difference, of course, is T2, which is the second term, minus the first term, when we are looking at arithmetic progression. So the common difference D now will be 7. Okay, so we can use the nth term of arithmetic progression when the last term is given. Nth term of AP for arithmetic progression or linear sequence. Nth term for AP when last term is given as L n will be equals to A plus n in bracket minus 1 times D, the common difference. So this is the formula we have to use when the last term is given. So we can use this to find the number of terms. So in place of this L, we put our L mean that's the last term, that will be 602. The first term, which is our A now, is 406 plus bracket open n minus 1. D, which is the common difference, is 7. So we can easily find n, which is the number of terms now. 602 now will be equals to 406 plus 7 times n is 7n minus 7 times 1 is 7. So we can collect like terms here. Okay? So let's collect like terms and see. We can write 602 will be equals to, we can say 406 minus 7, that would be 399 plus 7n. So we can collect like times here. So this will be 602 minus 399 will be equals to 7n. Okay, so let's minus this 602 minus 399. Okay, it will be 203 will be equals to 7n. So we can divide both sides by the coefficient of n, which is 7. So divide both sides by 7, divide both sides by 7. N now will be equals to 203 divided by 7, that will be 29. So the number of terms that are divisible by 7 from 400 to 403 to 603, there are 27 numbers. But that's not what we're looking for. We are asked to find the sum of all the natural numbers between these. So those 29 numbers, what will be their sum? So we will use sum formula now when the last term is given. Sum of AP when the last term is given. It will be sum, which is equals to bracket open A, it will be sum, which is equals to n divided by 2, rather, bracket open A plus the last term, bracket close. So when last term is given, we use this sum formula. But when the last term is not given, we use the other formula, which is given as, let me write it here. When the last term is not given, the sum of AP will be sum, which is n divided by 2, the square bracket 2a plus n in bracket minus 1 times the common difference. So this is sum of AP when the last term is not given. But when the last term is given, we use this sum formula. Okay, we know that n now is 29. Anywhere we see n here, we put 21. And our first term is 406. And our last term is 602. So we can easily find the sum of all the natural numbers between 403 and 603 that are divisible by 7. Divisible by 7 means there will be no remainder. Okay, so in place of n, we put 29 now. That will be equals to 29 divided by 2, bracket open first term, 406, plus our last term, 602. So we can add and multiply. So the sum now of all the natural number will be equals to, we can multiply, let's multiply 406 times 602. We can say times 29 divided by 2. We can do this directly using our calculator. Let's multiply it by 29 now. Let me write it here. We have 7087948 divided by 2. Finally, the sum now of all the natural numbers now will be, we divide this by 2. That will be, if we divide that by 2, we have 3, 5, 4, 3, 9, 7, 4. So this will be the sum of all the natural numbers between 403 and 603 that are divisible by 7. Let's still cross check and see. Let's add 406 plus 602. That's 1008. I think we need to cross check this from here. Let me still redo it mathematically so that this will be the sum to the sum now will be to be 29 times, let me do it step by step. 406 plus this will be 1008 divided by 2. So sum now will be equals to, we can now multiply now. So that will be 008 times 29 divided by 2. So the answer will be 14616. Sorry for that. This will be the correct answer. 14,616. So the sum of all the natural numbers that are divisible by 7 between 403 and 603 will be 14,616. So this is the answer to this question. So this is the sum of all the natural numbers that are divisible by 7, that are between 403 and 603. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. You can share, comments, and if there's any better way to approach this question, you can put it in the comment section. Thank you for joining me.